How to add friends in Minecraft. So first, just keep in mind that this friend feature is only available for Minecraft Bedrock and won't work for Minecraft Java. So what you want to do now is just open up Minecraft right here, then click on play. And once you're here at the top, you will see friends. So just simply click on that. And now you could either join Realm or add a friend. And to add a friend, just simply click the add friend button right there. And this will pop up. You could share your QR code or copy your gamer tag. And here you will see the recommended friends recently played with and your followers. And you could also search their gamer tag here at the top. So let's say I want to add someone right here named Test, if there's anyone. So as you can see, it will pop up if there are results of the one that you search right here at the top. So right that, you can also load more results if you want. If you want to add them, just simply click on add right here. And that's how you basically add friends in Minecraft.